Hi children, how are you? You know, it gave me immense pleasure to see your introductory videos. You all look so confident and smart. Good job. Really, I mean it. It was really nice. In fact, the creative birthday cakes you made was so nice. And your All About Me t-shirt, I got to know about your favorite color, your favorite activity, your parents' name, and my name also, and the respective teacher's name. So it was very nice. I can completely sense that you're really excited and enjoying this process of teaching learning. Although it's distance, but still I can see with your response, I know that you're really happy. Your response is overwhelming. So thank you so much for that. Now let's start with our EVS topic. You know what we were studying last time? We learned how to introduce ourselves, and we all did introduce ourselves. So apart from that, now we will go ahead in the same topic. I would like to start today's lesson with a poem. All right? So it's the topic of the poem is I am growing. When I was a baby, I was too small. I could not do anything at all. That's how you were as a baby, right? When you were a baby, you were too small and you could not do anything at all. You were dependent on your parents. That time you were an infant. Infant is a child who is less than a year old. Okay? When I was 1, I learned to stand. I used to stand holding Papa's hand. When I was 2, I learned to talk. Yeah? I began to dance and learn to walk. Each passing day, I am growing tall, like the climber on the wall. You know what a climber is? Climber is a plant that has a weak stem. Okay? The climber plant needs support of a wall or maybe a railing or another plant to stand. Otherwise it cannot hold itself. So you would have seen money plants, so that's a climber. So this poem talks about how you are as a baby and then how you grow up. So do you know human baby? Human baby is born as an infant, right? When you were born, you were an infant, and then you grew up to become a boy or a girl, right? So like that we can say a baby girl grows to be a young girl, and a young girl grows to be a woman. Similarly, a baby boy grows to be a young boy, and a young boy grows to be a man. Now that you are at home, you can ask your parents to give you your baby albums. And you know what? You know what a baby album is? A baby album is basically a collection of all your photographs. So what you can do is you can see your baby album and see how you grew from being an infant to a boy. Alright? You can see the different phases, the different pictures of you. Then you can see how you changed. You grew taller, you grew heavier, you became strong. Alright? So that it will be a lot of fun, I am very sure. So you do that and you let me know how it felt. And just tell me one thing, do you think animals also grow? The way we grow from being an infant to a baby to a man or a woman, do you think animals also grow? Yes, animals also grow. You know, a puppy grows into being a dog. A kitten grows into being a cat, right? Like that, a horse. Tell me, what is the baby horse called? It is called foal. And duck, what is a baby duck called? A baby duck is called duckling. Alright, so like that, their animals also grow. Some animals are born like human, like they are born complete, and some are, some hatch from an egg, like generally birds hatch from an egg. Also, just tell me one thing, do plants also grow? Yes, plants also grow. So I'm going to share a video with you that shows how a seed grows into becoming a plant.
From a seed to a flower.
first we sow a seed in the ground with the help of sunlight and water. After few days, generally 2-3 days, the seed sprouts and the roots begin to grow. Then we get the first two leaves of the plant. From that, the plant further grows into becoming a complete tree. The process is long. It takes 2-3 years for a seed to grow into a tree. But yes, it is possible. It happens, right? And you will learn more about it when we will go through that chapter, plants. We will do germination in school. All right. Children, we have learned about how a human baby grows, and we have learned how animal also change and how plants also change. There is a worksheet which I want you to do based on what we have learned today. The worksheet will be sent to you on WhatsApp. You can do that worksheet and send it to us for evaluation. We'll check how much you have learned and how attentive you were while watching this video. Thank you for your time. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.